I mean, these days you are working hard for your family. These days you are working hard for you also. What do you think about Rasra City?
Rasra City is good place.
Okay. And what do you think about Kalika Institute?
Kalika Institute is best education.
It's all about working hard as much as you can. If you work hard as much as you can, then definitely you will be able to speak this particular language. Big hand for Kusi. Big hand for Kusi. One good thing about Prince.
Sir, he has a not good idea.
One good thing about Prince. I would like not Bhojpuri also.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
one sentence in Bhojpuri.
Kahalba.
Kahalva. Yeah, it is a very famous sentence. The next person I would like to call. Big hand for Khusi. Big hand for Khusi. Khusi is going to come. And Khusi, take your place and please take this mic. And I would like to ask so many questions in front of you. And you are on the verge of giving all the answer. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You are little bit nervous or you are absolutely ready?
Sir, both.
I mean, both. Little bit nervous and little bit, ready. Okay.
I'm so
My
very
first
nervous.
first question. What is your name?
My name is Khushi Kumari.
Okay. Can you please tell me, I mean, when do you get up early in the morning time?
I get a morning early time 6 o'clock.
Okay. I mean, whenever you come in the class, what do you learn?
I come in the class near about 9 o'clock
Yes.
and
What
I
do-
read.
Huh.
I read 1 hours.
Yes. And what do you learn? You learn computer or you learn English?
I learn English.
Okay. Right now you are nervous or you are confident?
I am very nervous.
You are very nervous. Don't worry. So many boys and girls are with you and they are also waiting for their time. Let's see who is going to be nervous here. Don't worry. What is the most important topic for learning English?
I think conjunction.
Conjunction is most important.
Yes, sir.
I mean, according to you all guys, which is the most important topic? Tense. I think that tense is most important topic, and after tense you should know about the models, right? And after knowing the models you should know about the preposition and conjunction. Okay, the last question is in front of you, Kusi. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Didi.
Your best friend is
Nidhi.
Didi?
Nidhi.
Nidhi. Okay, that's really nice. And one more question. I mean, these days you are working hard only for English or for some other, skill.
Yes, sir. I do learn.
I'm learning.
I learning working hard
Uh-huh.
today, and I do waste.
Mhm. Okay, that's really nice. Thank you so much, Kusi. And please work hard as much as you can. And some sentences are wrong. Don't worry, it is a part of our learning English. Whenever we try to learn different language, or it is Italian, or it is English, or whatever the languages, doesn't matter. It's all about working hard as much as you can. If you work hard as much as you can, then definitely you will be able to speak this particular language. Big hand for Kusi. Big hand for Kusi. I will give only 3 minutes to each trainee. Okay, the next person I would like to call here from the boys side. Big hand for Surjit. Big hand for Surjit. He is clapping. just take this place and please sit. Yes, you can sit here. And yes, you can take it. And my first question, first of all, I would like to ask you. My first question goes to you. Right now, are you confident or nervous?
Sir, I little bit.
Okay, you are. I think that needless to say that you are confident or nervous. You are absolutely nervous right now. Don't worry, just
my heart is pumping.
your heart is
Right
pumping. Don't worry. Your heart is pumping, and just Prince is supporting you. Not only Prince is supporting you. All the boys and girls are supporting you. Okay, my first question goes in front of you. I mean, do you work hard every day for learning English?
Yes, sir. Sir, as a matter of fact, I do practice every day
Mhm.
for learning English and to success
Mhm.
in life. So,
Okay, that's really nice. And whenever you come in the class, I mean, do you talk with all the boys and girls, or you just sit at a particular place?
sir, when I come in the coaching, sir,
Mhm.
I talk with all the girls and all the boys.
Yes, for learning English, it's very mandatory. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, and if you really want to improve your personality, if you really want to improve your speaking skill, you have to talk with all the boys and girls.
Yes.
Now, the next question goes to you. Goes to you. The next question. Which is your favorite place?
So my favorite place is Ladakh, Leh Ladakh.
Okay.
And
So, would you like
it's
to
my
go?
It's
would you-
my dream.
Okay, it's your dream.
Yes,
So, would you like to go with your future wife, or you would like to go with friends? All right.
Sir, I will go with the friends
Ah.
and my family.
Okay. Can you please tell me can you please tell me when will you go there? Like in 2025 or 2026
So
or
I don't have idea. What will I do?
when will I go?
When will I?
Okay. Okay. The next question. Who is your best friend in this? Among these all boys?
So my best friend is the Prince.
Prince. Why Prince? Why not? Sandeep. Why not
And,
Ankit?
And Sandeep Bhaiya.
Sandeep. Bhaiya. What one good thing about Prince?
Sir,
One good thing about Prince.
sir, he has a not good idea.
One good thing about Prince. I would like not. I don't want to listen a bad thing. I would like to listen one good thing about Prince.
Sir, Prince has not good. I think.
Wait. You mean to say Prince is not a good boy?
Yeah.
He is only your best friend. He is
Yes.
only your friend. He is not good boy. He always believes in bad things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is your best friend? Not in this class. Among these all boys and girls. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Akash John.
Okay. Whenever you go, at particular place, you talk with your friends in English, or you don't talk with them.
Sir, actually, when I go to park,
Mhm.
I talk with friends
Mhm.
in English, sir,
Okay.
and Bhojpuri, sir.
Oh, Bhojpuri also.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
one sentence in Bhojpuri.
Ka halwa
Ka halwa. Yeah, it is a very famous sentence.
Yes,
Any
sir.
other sentence?
and ka halwa babu.
He is saying it. Ka halwa babu. ठीक है बाबू. All right, big hand for Sujit. Big hand for Sujit. All right, your time is up, man. Okay. I would like to call the next person here, not from the boy side. I would like to call the next person from the girl side. Big hand for Rani. Big hand for Rani. All right. Take this mic and Rani. First of all, I would like to ask you, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Can you please tell me which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay. Right now, are you nervous or are you confident?
I am very nervous.
You're very nervous. Okay, don't worry. It is the part of learning English, or it is the part of your journey. Whenever you try to speak something new, whenever you try to elaborate something new, you stuck somewhere. But don't worry about that. Okay. When do you get up early in the morning time?
I usually get up in the morning time 6 o'clock.
Okay, that's really nice. And what do you think about Rasra City?
Hi.
What do you think about Rasra City?
Rasra City is good place.
Okay. And what do you think about Kalika Institute?
Kalika Institute is best education.
Uh-huh. Okay. Next question goes to you. Whenever you come in the class, do you learn new things, or these all things are new for you, or these all things are not new for you?
These all things new for me.
Okay. Can you please tell me which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dal chawal.
Okay. And chokha?
Only dal chawal.
Only dal chawal. Okay. It is a type of desi.
Yeah.
And can you please tell me who is your best friend?
My best friend is Kashish.
Kashish. Okay. Kashish is there.
Yeah.
So can you please tell me one good thing about Kashish?
He is good.
He is good, or she is good? She is good. She
He
is
is
good.
good.
And one more compliment about Kashish. One best thing about Kashish. वहां पे जाओगे मारेगी कौन ही तुमको.
She is beautiful.
Yes, but can you please one more good thing about Kashish? All right, your time is up. Big hand for Rani. All right. The next person I would like to call here from the boys' side. And the next person is going to come. Big hand for Sandeep. Big hand for Sandeep. All right. Sandeep, just come here. And you are absolutely welcome. Just take your place and take the mic. And first of all, I would like to ask the question. I mean, these days you are working hard for your family. These days you are working hard for you also. These days you always get up early in the morning and you go for your job. So I would like to ask question. I mean, working hard in life is good thing or it is a bad thing or it is not important.
It is good thing, sir.
It is good thing.
Because without hard work, you can do anything.
You can't do anything. You can't do anything, right? Okay. I mean, can you please tell me when do you get up early in the morning time?
I get up early in the morning near about 4 o'clock,
And then what do you do?
and I go outside for running.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I prepare while
Mm-hmm.
running.
Mm-hmm. Okay. The next question goes to you. I mean, whenever you come in the class, you talk with all the boys and girls, or you just sit at a particular place and you just operate mobile.
When I come at my class,
Mm-hmm.
and I
Mm-hmm.
I don't talk to any one person.
You don't talk to you don't talk with any person. Okay. I mean, can you please tell about your village? What about your
I
village?
belong to Nadoli.
Mhm. Just describe about your village. I don't want to listen only the name of your village. Just describe about your village. I mean, your village is good, or the atmosphere is good, or the people are good or not. I mean, just I want.
So please tell me.
Please elaborate about your village. You all guys think speaking English is very easy task? No, it is not easy task. You have to just consistent about that. You have to speak all the time, and then you will be able to speak. See, so many boys and girls, they always come in our class and they always try to speak something new. They always try to speak different words. They always try to speak different sentences, and they practice. They know what is the importance of practice, and then then they will be able to speak English. Learning English is very easy task, but if you don't practice, you will stuck somewhere. So I would like to know about your village. Please describe about your village. Your time is going to end. Please describe about your village. I think that Sandeep is nervous. Big hand for Sandeep. Big hand for Sandeep. Okay, give the mic. Okay, the next person I would like to call here from the girls' side.